back. Now, according to a report, the BJP's income is in 2019-20 jumped almost 50% to over 3,600 crores in 2019-20, the financial year, compared to the previous year. Now, while its total expenditure rose by 64% to rupees 1651 crores over the same period. Now, as per the BJP's annual audit report for the year 2019-20, the party earned over 2,500 crores from electoral bonds, a 76% surge compared to the previous financial year. Now, when compared to Congress's total receipts of over 680 crores in 2019-20, the BJP's income was seen to be 5.3 times higher. Now, remember that 2019-20, in fact, last year specifically, was the election year in the country, several states going to elections and in the run-up to elections also. Let me go across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt for more on this. Mohit, so this report, all these data has come out from BJP's own annual audit report, which it had to place in front of the Election Commission. They have, of course, been transparent about it, but nonetheless, this is clearly showing the difference which exists between, even if we look at the two leading parties, BJP and Congress, the difference is staggering.
Well, yes, these are the reports of the annual audit report of the national parties in India for the year 2019 to 2020. Now, this specifically is done by the Election Commission, and it clearly shows that if you compare it to 2018 and 19, the BJP's income has grown by 50% and the expenditure has grown by 64%. Now, the audit report has given out the details of the 7 national parties. Now, if you compare it to the other parties, BJP's expenditure has grown and also the income has also grown. Now, BJP's income in 2019-2020 jumped to almost more than 3,600 crores, 50% to, and it is more than 50%, which was the last year. Now, the total expenditure also rose by 64% in this. And the party also earned over 2,500 crores from the electoral bonds. You need electoral bonds again and again. Everybody, those who want the transparency in the system, they say that the electoral bond is the system which can clearly have the transparency in the system if we talk about the expenditure, income, and also the donation to the political parties. Now, the electoral bonds in 2019-2020, the BJP has earned 2,500 crores. And it is a 76% surge compared to the previous financial year. Now, if you compare it to the Congress, Congress total receipt were of rupees 680 crore rupees in 2019-2020. BJP's income clearly seen to be around 5.4% higher than the Congress. And we know that how BJP has been in the party at the center for a long time now. Since 2014, they have been at the center. Right. They have the government in various states, and hence their income has also increased. But as according to the report, their expenditure has also increased.
Right, Mohit. Thank you so much for joining us with that.